Cleaning up after little fingers, everything gets an extra wipe at this Vancouver mall.
We've been sort of ramping it up. We thought we would get ahead of it rather than waiting.
The same goes for the real thing. Trains and buses are now sanitized daily instead of weekly or longer. Some tourist attractions in Vancouver and Toronto are also being disinfected more frequently to reduce the risk of spreading the coronavirus. But not everyone's sold.
This cloth, this cover is not plastic, and nobody can steal these things, and I'm worried about that, yeah.
Disinfection is all part of Canada's planning for a pandemic. More cleaning of common surfaces, reducing public gatherings, self-isolation for the sick, and testing sick people who haven't traveled. There's also social distancing, which some are already doing.
I mean, I try to go sit at the end of the subway. Where we're sitting right now, it's pretty empty.
If I hear someone coughing on public transportation, I'll move to the other side.
Honestly, we're right at the very beginning of this.
This infectious disease specialist says that extra vigilance might help reduce the spread of COVID-19, which is already passing between people with no travel history, known as community spread.
Why look to Iran and Italy when you can look right next door where we have so much communication back and forth? As soon as you see community spread in the United States, it pretty much guarantees we have community spread here in Canada. We may just not know it yet.
And unlike flu pandemics, no one has an immunity to COVID-19. That means this outbreak could be long.
This could be over 8 to 12 months. And so that's the hard part to wrap our heads around.
Which is why health officials say it's so important for people to protect themselves, as it may no longer be a matter of if more cases appear, but when. Vicadopia, CBC News, Toronto.